Okay, just a quick video, getting ready. Next thing going on is roof. I'll try to get this camera up here where you can see what's going on. We've got it cleaned up. As you can see under here, I need to do a little sanding in some spots. I got to decide on where I want my spot welds. I've got a spot weld machine. I got some alignment hose drill just for a probe to stop to poke down through or whatever. Here's the top roof. I'm sorry. This is not glued on. Still deciding on how much we want on there. If it's going to interfere with the sails or anything here. So when I fit it again, we're going to set it on and fit, and then I've got a little camera we can put up in the cracks, and I'll see if I got enough room to get that foam that all the way to the corners. Speaking of corners, you might notice that the corners are cut out of here. Here's a corner cut out. There's a corner cut out. There's a corner cut out. There's a corner cut out. And the reason being is none of the corners fit. So what I've chosen to do is go ahead and we'll stop our bonding adhesive 2 inches back from there as the manufacturer recommends. And then we're going to weld those in after we get this thing in place. This thing fits very well. But we got corner issues. So once I fit it in, or once I get it bonded on, we're going to use 3M panel bonding, except for here where we're going to weld it. So same thing, we'll won't put any adhesive on there. We'll use 3M weld through primer, and hopefully I can video that taking place. Couple more fits, couple more looking around, then we're gonna bond this on with this 3M panel bonding. There's that's what the hoses are for. We're going to snap those on once we get it in to get it all aligned. Then we'll clamp. Got my clamps ready. May have to pick up a couple more. And then we're going to clamp the gutters. We're also going to spot weld the front and back. I'm guessing 6 or 8 times. I've got a spot weld machine, and this panel bonding adhesive can be spot welded through the adhesive when it's wet. So that's what we're going to do. I believe in the panel bonding adhesive, but I'm going to go ahead and spot weld a few times just because we can and just because it's allowed. Well, I got the video on. I can't help but look in here at give Ride Tech and Mosier Engineering a quick go through, because hey, that shit's cool on a lot of levels. If you're gonna build one, get it. 12 bolt, Mosier Engineering, Ride Tech 4-link, and GoPro stop recording.